How to go back on home screen on the iPad. Let me show you how it works. If you're new here, most definitely subscribe so you don't miss tutorials and videos like this one. So if your iPad has a home button, then of course you press the home button to return to the home screen. However, the newer iPads don't really have the home button, so use the gesture approach. So you just grab the bottom edge of the display and swipe it up like this, so the icon just like disappears, the windows gets closed, and you are back at the home screen. So, same as on the iPhone, you use the gesture to swipe up and you return back to the home screen. So that is the most fundamental way of doing that. However, there are some alternatives and also some reasons why it may not work. So at first, you don't have to use the gestures, as there is also the assistive touch, which can be found in the accessibility touch and assistive touch, which it's like a floating button on the screen, which might as well work as the home button. So if you prefer that, you can just click it anytime you want to return or want to perform some different actions, and it will be there available for you. So that is the alternative method. However, it is still possible that it doesn't work, because it's possible to lock the iPad in one application only. This feature is called guided access, and it can also be found in the settings and accessibility. So make sure you don't have it turned on if you don't like it, right? But as I say, it can lock the iPad in one application, and to get outside of that, you have to triple click the power button and then perhaps type in the passcode if it's set up that way. And after that, you'll be able to return back to the home screen. So these are the things that you need to know about it. Let me know if you successfully managed to, return and do what you needed with the iPad. Hit the thumbs up and subscribe so you don't miss anything important, and I'll see you later in the next tutorials as well.